We're a great big rolling railroad, hear the diesel engine's power. We're 1,000 wheels of freight train doing 90 miles an hour. Like a mighty rushing torrent with a power you can feel, surging through our nation's heartland on a river made of steel. From the shores of California, where the blue Pacific gleams, to the father of the waters, rolling down to New Orleans, we have forged a span of steel that links our nation east and west. We're the Union Pacific, doing what we do the best.
From New Orleans to Seattle is 3,000 miles away. Cross the rivers, plains and mountains, and we're going there today. We were there to bridge the rivers when our country still was new. We're the Union Pacific, we can handle it.